Hello everyone! Welcome back to our Healthy Habits class. If you can still remember, we have 5 senses. We have the sense of, say it with teacher, sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. We are finished learning about our sense of sight, hearing, and smell. This time, we are going to learn about our sense of taste. Our sense of taste. Everybody say, sense of taste. The sense organ we use for our sense of taste is our tongue. Everybody say tongue. Can I see your tongue? Can you show me your tongue? Very good. Did you know that our tongue helps us to tell the taste of the foods that we eat? It is covered with taste buds for each kind of taste. There are 4 basic tastes. We have the sweet taste. Everybody say sweet taste. Our next taste is sour. Everybody say sour. Next we have salty. Say salty. And lastly we have bitter. Say bitter. The examples of foods that are sweet are, we have chocolate. I know everyone or most of you loves chocolate because it is sweet and yummy. Cake. We also have donuts, lollipop, and cupcake. All these foods taste sweet. Foods that are sour are vinegar, green mango, tamarind, and lemon. Sour. And foods that are salty are salt, salted egg, fish sauce, and dried fish. Everybody say salty. And foods that are bitter are coffee, some medicines, and bitter gourd. Everybody say bitter. Now let us play a game. I'm going to show you pictures of foods and you're going to tell me how or what is the taste of these foods. Start your answer with the word or with the phrase, it tastes. Okay? Let's begin. We have tamarind. Say tamarind. What is the taste of a tamarind? It tastes sour. Very good. It tastes sour. Next we have donut. What is the taste of a donut? It tastes sweet. Very good. How about a fish sauce? What is the taste of a fish sauce? It tastes. Can I hear your answer? It tastes salty. Fish sauce are salty. Very good. And lastly, we have a coffee. What is the taste of a coffee? It tastes. Can I hear your answer? Bitter. Very good. The coffee tastes bitter. It tastes bitter. Good job. And that's it for today. Good job, kids. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you again on my next video. Bye!